Good day, everyone. Hope you are doing well today. As we all know, we are facing a pandemic this time due to COVID 19. So, today we are going to have online classes. Are you ready? Let's go!
My country. Thailand is my country. The former name was Siam. The current capital city is Bangkok. Bangkok is named the Venice of the East. The Thai flag has 3 colours: red, white and blue. Buddhism is the national religion. Ratchapruk is the national flower. My country is beautiful and peaceful. Thai food is very delicious. I am proud to be a Thai. I love my country.
Now let's read your vocabularies. Read the words 3 times. Mathematics. Much, much, much. Each, each, each. Check, check, check. Science, earth, earth, earth. Direction, direction, direction. Far, far, far. Social studies, producer, producer, producer. Consumer, consumer, consumer. Mineral, mineral, mineral. Health education, better, better, better. Listen, listen, listen. Music, music, music. English, let, let, let. Love, love, love. Home, home, home. So that is your vocabulary. Next is let's go to your dictation. Please bring out your notebook and write the day today. And put to underline. After that, please write numbers 1, 2, and 3 and put underline below 3. I will give you 2 minutes to do this one. The timer starts now. Are you finished? Let's start with dictation number 1. Please write the spelling of dividend. Again, dividend. Number 2, remainder. Again, remainder. For our last dictation, please write the spelling of divide. Again, divide. Are you done? Now it's time to check your dictation. Please read the dictation number 1. Dividend. Very good. Spell dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend. Did you get the correct spelling? Very good. Now, let's proceed to dictation number 2. Please read dictation number 2. Remainder. Spell remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder. Very good. Now let's go to number 3. Read number 3. Divide. Spell divide. D-I-V-I-D-E. Divide. Did you all get the correct spelling? Very good. Now that is our dictation. Now, before we go to our main topic, we are going to have a review. So last time, we have learned about the relationship between multiplication and division. Example, 4 times 6 is equals to 24. Therefore, 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. Or 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6. So let's start with our main topic. So our topic for today is all about simple division with remainder. Again, it's simple division with remainder. Are you ready? Let's start with our example. So we have here our example number 1. It's 38 divided by 5. So there are many methods in getting the answer of this one. But I choose that we are going to have groupings. So in here we are going to use things that we can group so that we can find the answer. So I have here candy. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So we have all in all 38 candies. So what are we going to do is we are going to group them by 5. So let's start counting 5 candies. Okay, so we have here one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 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 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One group. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One group. As you can see here, there are candies that are left. It's not enough to put it in a group. So first, we are going to count how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 groups. So we are going to write here 7. As you can see here, we are not yet finished. So there are 3 candies left. So what are we going to do now? So these 3 candies will be our remainder. So we are going to write it as R3. Did you understand? Let's go to another example. Example number 2. So we have here 22 divided by 4. So we are going to have again the groupings. The same as what we did to example number 1. So we are going to have here balls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So we have here 22 balls. So we are going to group this one having 4 balls in one group. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another group. 1, 2, 3, 4. One group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another group. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Another group. As you can see here, we have still 2 balls but cannot do another group. So we are going to count now how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to write now 5. It's there. Now these 2 balls will be our remainder. We are going to write it as R2. Understand? Very good. Let's now have your last example. Example number 3. 19 divided by 3 is equals to blank. Do you know the answer? Okay, very good. Let's see. So again, it's the same example number 1 and example number 2. We are going to have pictures. So we have here cars. So we are going to produce 19 cars. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So there are 19 cars. Now we are going to group this one having 3 cars in one group. So let's see how many groups can we make. So we have 1, another 1. Okay, how many groups are there now? Okay, let's count. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 1 left. So we are going to write the groups first. It's 6. And then, what are we going to do with the 1 left? Again, please. Very good. We are going to make it as our remainder. So how are you going to write our remainder? We are going to write it as small letter r and 1. Very good. Hope you understand, and now we are going to have now your activity. Time for your activity. Please get your notebook and write find the quotient. So we are going to find the quotient in your activity. So your notebook will be like this. So first is the dictation. After that, we are going to have your activity. So for your activity, we are going to have 5 items. And I know that you can answer it by yourself. Can you? Very good. Are you finished? So if you are finished, please take a picture and send it to the line group so the teacher can check. Before we end our lesson, we are going to have a review. So this time we have learned about simple division with remainder. Only one topic. So that's all for today. Thank you for your cooperation and be safe always. See you next time. Goodbye.